How to fix pull-up for precise seeking problem on YouTube. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process to fix the error that you're facing. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your YouTube app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you just have to tap on your profile section at the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile, on the top right you will see a gear icon. Just tap on it to open up your settings. Now, once your settings is open, just scroll down a bit until you see your accessibility settings. Once you do that, just tap on it, and if your accessibility player is off, make sure to turn it on. And here on hide player controls, you will have to select after 3 seconds. So once you do that, you have to go back and check if it is working. So just open any video you want, and in order to do precise seeking, you just have to tap on your screen and pull up on your seek bar. Once you do that, you just scroll all the way to the side until you get to the part of the video that you want to see. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.